Imagine having your RV plugged in for 5 hours, thinking that you're charging your battery. Turns out, the power pedestal wasn't wired correctly and your RV didn't charge at all. We've come up with a way to avoid this with one little device. When going camping, there's no telling how well maintained the RV outlets provided to you can be. Use this one tool to prevent the outlets from damaging your cords, equipment, or even your RV. Wouldn't it be nice to tell if the outlet is safe before plugging in? This is the RV30AS GP from AC Works. It's a 30 amp RV circuit analyzer and surge protector that works for TT30 outlets. This works very simply to protect your RV. All you have to do is plug it into the power pedestal and look over the different light indicators to see how well maintained the power pedestal is. It's also a surge protector. This means that this adapter will kill the power if there is a voltage spike to your RV or other equipment, protecting your cords and RV. To demonstrate this, we have rigged up a mock TT30 power outlet that you would typically use to power your 30 amp RV. I will change up the wiring to show you firsthand how to read this circuit analyzer and be prepared while out camping. Let's get started. Only the outer yellow lights showing means the outlet is properly wired and you are all good to go. The surge protection light also indicates the surge protection is active and working. The left yellow light by itself means you have an open ground. This means the ground is not wired properly and your connection is not safe. For this scenario and the following scenarios, an electrician needs to rewire the connection. Yellow on the left and red in the middle means there is reverse polarity. This is another wiring issue where the hot and neutral are miswired into each other's terminals. No lights showing indicates an open hot. This means the hot wire is not in its terminal at all. You won't get any power this way, which is why no indicator light will show. Yellow, red, and yellow indicate an open neutral. This means that the neutral wire is not connected to its terminal. Red in the middle and a bright yellow light indicate the ground and hot have been reversed. This means you have power flowing through the ground wire when there should never be power. A single red light in the middle indicates that the hot wire is on the neutral pole. This guide is printed on every single one of the RV30AS GPs we have on hand. I hope this video was able to help you discover another way to protect your investment with this TT30 surge protector and circuit analyzer. With this AC Works product, you can safely power your RV and other camping necessities and stay powered up.